Get ready to practice the S motion. Sway side to side with me.
Sun is up, the sea is blue. Sway like a snake, I'll sway with you. Sway it fast, then sway it slow. Stretch out, then freeze just so.
When a picture pops up, say its name and sway with me. Sock. Snake. Starfish. Sand. Let's spin the S wheel. When it stops, say the picture and do the S motion.